We often find ourselves with our hands full, making it difficult to interact with our phone or smartwatch while on the go. Apple has solved this problem by introducing voice-controlled assistants and hands-free gestures, which can offer a solution to this issue. The most powerful chip in Apple Watch ever. A magical way to use your Apple Watch without touching its screen. A display that's twice as bright. And now you can choose a watch case and band combination that's carbon neutral. The Apple Watch Series 9 introduces 2 new interaction methods, double tap and raise to speak to Siri. Additionally, it now supports on-device Siri processing, allowing users to ask Siri for health data and log daily stats directly from the watch. These features are powered by the new S9 System in Package, SiP, which means they may not be available on older models through software updates. The Series 9 also features a second-generation ultra-wideband, UWB chip, similar to the one in the iPhone 15 series. This chip enables an updated interface for locating a paired phone. Double tap. Double tap is a new gesture introduced with the Series 9. It allows users to perform actions on the watch by pinching the screen with their thumb and index finger. It won't be available when the watch first ships. It will be activated via an over-the-air update later. Double tap is useful in situations where their hands are occupied, such as when cleaning, exercising, or reading a book. The watch uses data from the accelerometer, gyroscope, and optical heart rate monitor to distinguish between different touches. But it may take some practice to get the cadence right for double tap to register. Improved Siri. Siri requests on the Series 9 are now processed on device. This means Siri can still be used even when the watch is offline or disconnected from the iPhone. Additionally, users can now ask Siri for health data, such as steps taken or calories burned. Though the responses from Siri regarding health data are not perfect, improvements are expected with future software updates. Raise to speak. The Series 9 improves Raise to speak by using the S9 SiP's power efficiency and an always-on microphone to capture audio before the trigger phrase, "Hey Siri," is spoken. UWB precision finding. The second-generation UWB chip enables a more precise interface for locating a paired iPhone. It provides both distance and direction information, helping users find their misplaced devices. Screen brightness. The Series 9 screen can now reach up to 2000 nits, making it easier to read in bright sunlight. However, in very dark rooms, the low-nit display may be challenging to read. Performance and battery life. There is not significant difference in performance compared to the previous model. However, the battery life was slightly shorter, requiring a daily charge. Conclusion. Apple's did a great effort to make the Series 9 and Ultra 2 carbon-neutral products. The Series 9 is a capable and well-rounded smartwatch, with features like double tap and on-device Siri potentially being compelling reasons for users to upgrade. These new features may be laying the groundwork for a more immersive, hands-free ecosystem.